This video explains how to buy shares of XPeng Inc. XPeng is a Chinese electric vehicle maker focused on smart EVs and autonomous systems, and it trades on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under ticker 9868 HK. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an illustrative example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires a government ID, and then add funds to your account to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker 9868 HK to find the Hong Kong listing. Make sure you select the XPeng entry that lists HKEX as the market to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the XPeng listing. Check the market label and ticker again to ensure you have the correct security. To place an order, choose Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you add money before confirming the trade. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the broker example is in the description if you want to follow these steps yourself.